The Supreme Court is all set to hear 42 review petitions seeking a review of its earlier verdict on Sabarimala, which allowed entry of women of all ages in the temple. Chief Justice Ranjan Gogoi has listed all review petitions to be heard around 3 p.m. this afternoon. Despite the top court's verdict, no woman of menstruating age, that is within the age of 10 and 50, has been allowed to enter the temple premises up until now. Neha Agarwal, a petitioner, is joining us on the phone line. Good morning, Neha. This is a very important day for you because the Supreme Court is actually going to take a relook at its own decision. What is it that you are pitching in your petition? What does your petition say? Okay, I'm told Sneha is with us on the phone line. Sneha, you're tracking this story for us. Can you tell us what is expected today in terms of the Supreme Court now going to relook and review the decision taken earlier to allow women of all ages to enter Sabarimala? It is going to hear the review petitions today.
In September, the Supreme Court had allowed the entry of women into the Sabarimala temple, which has clearly invited a lot of protests from the devotees of Lord Ayyappa. There were several protests, and as we know that in the previous entry, when the temples were opened, the women were hardly allowed to enter who were under 50 years of age. And today, there were several petitions which have been filed for the Supreme Court to relook at it. And today the matter will come for the hearing, which will be the review petition. So the petitioners are saying the prime point there is that they should once again ban the entry of women who are under 50 years, because the women devotees are even saying that, they can wait till the time they reach 50 so that they can enter. It's like insulting the...
Right, there's some disturbance on the audio line there with you. Sneha, I'll come back to you. Thanks for joining us for now.